Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Everyday English Chat, where learning English is fun, easy, and full of real-life practice. I'm Mark.
And I'm Anna.
Hi, friends. It's great to have you here. Today's episode is super useful. We're talking about going to the doctor in English.
That's right. We'll help you learn how to explain your symptoms, ask for help, and understand what the doctor says.
And as always, this is real, everyday English, not textbook English. So relax, listen, and speak along with us.
And please, don't forget to like this episode, subscribe, and share it with your friends who want to improve their English too.
All right, let's get started.
Yes.
Okay, Mark, imagine you're not feeling well and you need to see a doctor. What's the first thing you say when you arrive?
Usually, you'll start at the reception desk. You can say, "Hello, I have an appointment with Dr. Smith at 10 a.m."
Nice. And if you don't have an appointment, you can say, "Hi, I'd like to see a doctor, please."
Let's repeat that together. I'd like to see a doctor, please.
Good. The receptionist might ask, "What's your name?" or "What seems to be the problem?"
You can answer with something simple like, "I've been feeling unwell," or "I have a headache."
Exactly. Let's go over some useful vocabulary for symptoms. Fever. High body temperature. I have a fever and chills. Cough. When you push air from your lungs suddenly. I've had a bad cough for 3 days. Sore throat. Pain in your throat when you swallow. My throat hurts when I swallow. Runny nose. When liquid comes from your nose. I have a runny nose, maybe a cold.
These are great, and pronunciation is important. Try saying sore throat slowly. Sore throat.
Perfect. Now, when you go into the doctor's office, the doctor might say, "How can I help you today?" Or, "What brings you in?"
And you can answer with, "I've been feeling sick. I have a stomach ache. I've been coughing a lot."
Good. Try repeating one aloud. I've been coughing a lot.
Awesome. Now let's listen to a short mini dialogue to see how this works.
Doctor, good morning. What seems to be the problem? Patient, good morning, doctor. I've been feeling dizzy and tired. Doctor, how long have you felt this way? Patient, for about 3 days. Doctor, all right, let's take your temperature.
That's a very typical conversation. Notice how the patient says, "I've been feeling." That's the present perfect continuous tense.
Yes, it's perfect for describing symptoms that started in the past and continue now.
Like, "I've been coughing since Monday."
Exactly. Let's learn more words to describe how you feel. I feel weak. You don't have energy. I feel weak after the flu. I feel dizzy. The world is spinning. I feel dizzy when I stand up. I feel nauseous. You want to vomit. I feel nauseous after eating bad food. I have a rash. Red spots on skin. I have a rash on my arm.
These are all very common, and it's okay if you don't remember them all. Just pick one or two you might need.
Right. And if you're not sure of the exact word, you can describe it. For example, "It hurts here," and point to the part of your body.
Or, "I feel pain in my stomach." Simple, clear English works best at the doctor's office.
Here's another short dialogue. Doctor, where does it hurt? Patient, my stomach hurts after I eat. Doctor, do you have any allergies? Patient, no, I don't think so.
The word allergy is also important. It means your body reacts badly to something, like peanuts or dust.
Yes, you can say, "I'm allergic to." For example, "I'm allergic to milk."
Now, let's talk about what the doctor might say to you. Take some medicine. Use a medicine to feel better. Take some painkillers for your headache.
Get some rest. Sleep or relax. You need to get some rest for 2 days.
Drink plenty of water. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water to recover.
I'll write you a prescription. A paper to get medicine. I'll write you a prescription for antibiotics.
You might also hear, come back in a week, or let me know if it gets worse.
Good phrases to remember. And when the doctor gives advice, you can respond with, okay, thank you, doctor. Or, I'll do that.
Let's practice a longer dialogue. Doctor, hello, what's the problem today? Patient, hi, I've had a sore throat and a cough for 3 days. Doctor, any fever? Yes, a little bit. All right, it sounds like a cold. You should get some rest and drink lots of water. Thank you, doctor. Should I take any medicine? I'll write you a prescription for some cough syrup. Thanks so much.
That's a full, real-life doctor visit. Notice how short and natural the sentences are.
Exactly. No complicated grammar, just polite, simple English. Okay, let's review what we've learned today. We talked about 1. Checking in at the doctor's office. 2. Describing your symptoms. 3. Understanding the doctor's advice.
Right. Let's practice a quick repetition exercise. Say the sentences after us.
I'd like to see a doctor, please.
I've been feeling sick.
I have a sore throat.
I'm allergic to peanuts.
Get some rest and drink water.
Excellent. You're doing great. Listening and repeating is one of the best ways to build confidence.
And remember, you don't need to be perfect. The goal is to communicate clearly.
Exactly. Even simple English can help you explain how you feel.
All right, that's all for today's episode of Everyday English Chat.
We hope you feel more confident talking about your health and visiting the doctor in English.
If you enjoyed this episode, please like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss the next one.
Next time, we'll talk about healthy habits and lifestyle tips, so stay tuned.
Take care, stay healthy, and keep practicing your English every day.
Bye for now.
Bye.